In this video, we will delve into the topic of quickly eliminating skin tags and warts, providing you with practical insights and effective remedies. Our aim is to equip you with the knowledge needed to tackle these common skin concerns efficiently. Viewers can expect to learn about various methods to remove skin tags and warts, including both natural remedies and over-the-counter solutions, ensuring you have a range of options at your disposal. Understanding the underlying causes of skin tags and warts is crucial, as it not only helps in prevention, but also in choosing the right treatment. Skin tags often arise from friction or hormonal changes, while warts are typically caused by the human papillomavirus, or HPV. By recognizing these factors, you can better address the root of the problem.
We want to engage you by highlighting the simplicity of the remedies we will discuss. Many of these solutions can be easily implemented at home, making them accessible and convenient for anyone looking to improve their skin health. The effectiveness of these methods has been proven by numerous individuals who have successfully removed their skin tags and warts without the need for invasive procedures.
So, whether you're dealing with a bothersome skin tag or an unsightly wart, this video will guide you through straightforward and efficient approaches to achieve clear skin. Join us as we explore these remedies and empower you to take control of your skin health with confidence and ease. Skin tags and warts are both classified as benign tumors, meaning they are non-cancerous growths that typically do not pose any serious health risks. Skin tags often appear as small, soft flaps of skin and are commonly found in areas where skin rubs against skin, such as the neck, armpits, and groin. Warts, on the other hand, are rough, raised bumps that can occur anywhere on the body but are frequently seen on the hands, feet, and face.
The connection between skin tags, warts, and the human papillomavirus, or HPV, is significant, particularly in the case of warts, which are directly caused by certain strains of HPV. This virus infects the top layer of skin, leading to the rapid growth of cells that form warts. While skin tags are not caused by HPV, they can be associated with other factors that may include viral infections. Hormonal influences also play a crucial role in the development of skin tags. Research suggests that estrogen in particular may contribute to their formation, which is why skin tags are more prevalent in women, especially during pregnancy or hormonal changes. These hormonal fluctuations can lead to increased skin friction and growth, resulting in the appearance of skin tags.
Understanding the nature and causes of these growths is essential for effective management and prevention, allowing individuals to make informed decisions about their skin health.
Insulin resistance plays a significant role in the formation of skin tags as it disrupts the normal functioning of insulin in the body. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it leads to elevated levels of insulin in the bloodstream, which can stimulate the growth of skin cells. This overproduction of skin cells can result in the development of skin tags, particularly in areas where skin rubs against skin.
There is a notable association between skin tags and conditions such as diabetes and obesity, as individuals with these conditions often experience higher levels of insulin resistance. Studies have shown that people with type 2 diabetes are more likely to have skin tags, indicating a potential link between metabolic health and skin growths.
Additionally, obesity is a significant risk factor as excess body weight can exacerbate insulin resistance, further contributing to the formation of skin tags. Addressing insulin resistance is crucial for achieving long-term solutions to not only reduce the occurrence of skin tags, but also improve overall health. Implementing lifestyle changes such as a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and weight management can help enhance insulin sensitivity.
By tackling the root cause of insulin resistance, individuals can potentially reduce the likelihood of developing skin tags and improve their metabolic health. Understanding this relationship emphasizes the importance of holistic approaches to skin health, encouraging individuals to consider their overall well-being rather than just focusing on cosmetic concerns. In this section, we will introduce a simple yet effective remedy for treating skin tags and warts using iodine and garlic. To prepare this remedy, start by gathering fresh garlic cloves and a bottle of iodine solution. Begin by crushing 2 to 3 cloves of garlic to release their natural juices, then mix the crushed garlic with a small amount of iodine in a clean bowl. Ensure that the mixture is well combined to create a potent paste. Before applying the remedy, cleanse the affected area thoroughly and pat it dry. Using a cotton swab or your fingertip, gently apply the garlic and iodine mixture directly onto the skin tag or wart, ensuring it is fully covered. For optimal results, allow the remedy to sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this process daily until you notice improvement. Both iodine and garlic possess powerful properties that contribute to their effectiveness in treating skin tags and warts. Iodine is known for its antiseptic qualities, helping to eliminate bacteria and promote healing, while garlic contains allicin, a compound with antiviral and antifungal properties that can combat the underlying causes of these skin growths. It's essential to use fresh ingredients for maximum potency, as the active compounds in garlic diminish over time. Fresh garlic not only enhances the remedy's effectiveness but also ensures that you are harnessing the full benefits of its natural healing properties. By incorporating this simple remedy into your skincare routine, you can take a proactive approach to managing skin tags and warts.
If the initial remedy using iodine and garlic does not yield the desired results for treating warts, there are several alternative treatments you can consider. One popular option is salicylic acid, which is available in various forms, including gels, pads, and liquids. To use salicylic acid effectively, start by soaking the wart in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin. After drying the area, apply the salicylic acid product directly onto the wart, following the instructions on the packaging.
It's important to cover the wart with a bandage to keep the treatment in place and to repeat this process daily until the wart begins to diminish.
Another effective alternative is celandine, a plant known for its natural wart-removing properties. To use celandine, extract the juice from the fresh plant and apply it directly to the wart using a cotton swab. Allow the juice to dry on the skin and repeat this application twice a day for optimal results. Regardless of the treatment you choose, it's crucial to monitor your progress closely.
Keep track of any changes in the wart's appearance and size, and be prepared to adjust your treatment approach if necessary. If you notice no improvement after several weeks, or if the wart becomes painful or irritated, consider consulting a healthcare professional for further evaluation and potential treatment options. By staying proactive and attentive to your skin's response, you can find the most effective solution for your wart concerns.